Hello friends, good morning. This is HR Kushwaha in front of you, newly appointed government higher secondary school teacher Kushwaha. Friends, my today's topic is not for the students but for the teacher. It is for those students they are going to become teacher. How to become best teacher and who is the best teacher? My first question, why this topic is necessary for discussion? This topic is necessary for discussion because a good teacher is a guarantee of good student, and a good student is a guarantee of good future of this country. That's why this topic is necessary. Now, who is the best teacher? Teacher is not best who has lot of knowledge. Teacher is not best who is best in himself, but teacher is the best who makes his student like him. Means he should have an art to transfer his knowledge to the students. It is very common saying, the student is like a soil and teacher transform them into a beautiful pot. It is up to the teacher how beautifully he transform to the students. Because only the three people can change the world: mother, father and a teacher. In those three people, teacher plays very important role. If a teacher is a good, definitely the future of country will be bright. Basically, we find three variety in teacher: good teacher, better teacher and best teacher. Who is good teacher? Good teacher is those they go to school for their duty only. They teach the students and they wait to time of the leave. Means their school is over, they are very happy. They attend their school and teach the students according to their choice. They complete their duty. And the second type of the teacher, they go to school with their preparation, they teach the student properly. They are called the better teacher. And the third one, the superior teacher, or we call the best teacher, they go to school with full preparation, with full dedication. They are punctual, honest and sincere, and they do not go to school to teach the students or for their duty. They go to school to make the best future of the students. They are called the superior teacher or best teacher. They make their study interesting. They teach the students with examples. They connect students with the new lesson. They explain how your study is necessary for your bright future, how this lesson is connected with your personal life. Means all over thing is that they make their study very, very interesting. Okay, let me ask you the one question: how many teachers have you taught in the past and how many of them are remembered by you? You reply probably 2 or 3. Why? Because they had some important and individual qualities. That's why you remember them. Number of teachers taught you, but you remember 2 or 3 of them because they had some extra quality. That's why being a good teacher is not a matter of knowledge, because knowledge can be gained. Knowledge can be got by the practice, by study. Being a good teacher is a matter of attitude. Listen, being a good teacher is a matter of attitude. Do you want to be the same person who is called, who is missed, who is remembered by the people? If your answer is yes, then you have to follow some important tips. Being a good teacher is a quality, and for that, teachers should have a punctuality, smartness, regularity, sincerity and good way of explanation. He should understand his duty, not a profession, but he should start with a different attitude. Let me explain why the example. There were 3 men making a building. The 3 were the Raj Mistri. A person was passing from there and asked to a person, "Brother, what are you doing?" That person replied, "Are you blind? Don't you see? I am earning wages for me." Then he asked the same question to the next one, "Brother, what are you doing?" He replied, "Don't you see? I am fixing bricks, I am making house. Then the same question he asked to the third one, brother, what are you doing? That person replied, I am going to make a beautiful building. I am performing my art. I am trying my level best to make this building beautiful. See, three person is doing the same work, but their attitude is different. One is making building for earning money. Another is jointing bricks, and the third one is making a beautiful building. Work is the same, but attitude is different. In the same way, some teacher is going to school for their duty. Some teacher is going to school for earning money, and some teacher are going to school to make the bright future of the students. Being a good teacher is a very important for the nation. I will make you the same video in Hindi too, but today I am making in English. Why a good teacher is necessary? Not only the teacher, but the three people can change the world. First mother, second father, and third one teacher. And teacher is most important out of these three. That's why everyone should be best teacher. Thank you very much.